Bonjour, this is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos and French lesson videos. Today we're looking at how to say the name of European countries in French. Let's get going, and we're starting under the sun of Spain. The top word in every slide is going to be the French spelling, the French version, and the bottom word is the English name of this country. España. España is how to say Spain in French. España. Italy is Italy in French. Note that no syllable is particularly stressed in French. That's why French is very flat. Italy, so it's not Italy or Italy or Italy. No, Italy, every syllable has the same weight. Italy is how you say Italy in French. France, it's said as France, of course, France. England is said as Angleterre, Angleterre. Now, if you want to say the name of the whole country, the UK, the United Kingdom, it's said as Royaume, Royaume meaning kingdom. You can see the word Roy here, which is roi, which is French for king. Royaume uni, uni is united. Royaume is kingdom, Royaume-Uni. Ireland is said as Irlande, Irlande is island. Belgique is French for Belgium, Belgique, Belgique. Suisse is French for Switzerland, a bit like Swiss, right? Suisse is the name of the country. Portugal, for once it's the same spelling, Portugal, so you have this very specific French U sound for the U. Portugal is how you say Portugal in French. Pays-Bas, the Netherlands. Pays meaning country, Bas meaning low, so it's the low lands, so the low country, which makes sense, right? Pays-Bas, Pays-Bas with silent S's. Allemagne is how you say Germany. Allemagne, Allemagne, Allemagne is how you say Germany in French. Denmark, Denmark is Denmark, Denmark. Then we're in Scandinavia now. Sweden, Sweden, a bit like Sweden, Sweden. Sweden is how it's said. Norvège is Norway, Norvège, Norvège is Norway. Finland is Finland, Finland. Let's go back south a little bit. Greece is Grèce, Grèce, la magnifique Grèce, beautiful Greece. Autriche is Austria, Autriche, Autriche. The Czechia is either the Czech Republic, so Republik Czech, Republik Czech, or Czechy, Czechy is Czechia. Hungary is Hungary, Hongrie, silent H as always in French, Hongrie. Hongrie is French for Hungary. Pologne is Poland, Pologne. And I'm not going to go through all Eastern countries. If you want to learn how to say more Eastern countries of Europe, here is a video for you on your top left corner, and more videos there to learn more French. I hope this video was useful. Like it if it was. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Merci.